Hello everyone. This is my full course of JavaScript. If you're new to web development, this is your career game changer. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install Node.js in our system. Okay. Before that, if you new to this channel, you can check my JavaScript playlist so you can understand the basics of JavaScript. Okay. Okay. So for installing Node, first we need to download Node, right? So for that, I am opening my browser. I'm searching Node.js, so you can see the first one. So just search this. So here you can see the nodejs.org. This is the official site of Node.js. Just click this. So here it will automatically suggest the suitable first version for you. Okay, based on your system and OS, it will recommend these two versions. Okay, before downloading this, first you need to know why Node.js. Okay. Yeah, we already know that we can't use JavaScript outside the browser, right? Because browser only having JavaScript engine. So the JavaScript engine will compile JavaScript, okay? But if you want to run the JavaScript outside the browser means you need Node.js, okay? If you need more clarification on this means you can check my video so you will get more understand. Okay, for now, so here you can see two options, okay. LTS means long term support, current means this is beta version, okay. This is more stable version, this is recommended for most user. If you click this, it will start download, okay. So I click this, so here you can see it's downloaded. This will download based on your internet speed, okay. So I open this, okay. Here you can see it will start installing, okay. You can just read this. Please file setup is computing space requirement. It will checking our computer space. So we'll wait for this. Migrating future starts up. Okay, I think it takes some time. Just hold on. Okay, you can see the setup wizard is installed on computer. You can click this next. So here you can accept the license and agreement. If you interested, you can read this. Okay, while click next. Okay, here you can select the destination folder. Okay, this is fine for me. I click next. So here it's suggesting some custom steps. If you interested in this means you can just learn and you can explore this. I click next. Okay, you can, if you want automatic install means you can just click enable this. I don't need, so okay, if I click install, you can see it's installing in my PC. Okay, now the installation is completed. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. It's based on your system configuration. Okay, I'm clicking this finish button. Okay, now Node is installed in my PC. But you can check this by using CMD. Okay, you can just open your CMD by just searching CMD. So you can see like this. Here you can you can type Node V. Hyphen V means Node version. Okay, if it is installed, if it installed in my PC means it should show my Node version. Okay, I click this means, see here it's showing Node 18.18. So this is my Node version. So Node is installed correctly in my PC. So here also we can use Node. Okay. For example, for this you need to just type Node and click enter. So here you can see the welcome message. Okay. Now we are under Node.js. Here also you can write some JavaScript code. For example, console.log hello world. So this is our JavaScript code. We can run this in terminal. Yes, you can see this output. So this happened because of Node.js. Okay, because Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. By using Node.js, you can run JavaScript outside the browser. Okay, yeah, this is fine. But if you want to build a real-time application, means this is not acceptable, right? So for this purpose, we need code editor. Okay, so I installed Visual Studio Code for this purpose. Okay, you can just install it. Okay, after opening your Visual Studio Code, you can see this layout. Okay, here you can create new file. You can open the already created file. You can open already created folder also. You can clone using GitHub. Okay, for now I am creating folder. Okay, if you click this Explorer, you can see this screen. Here you can click open folder. If the folder already exists, means you can just select like this, but I need to create new folder. Okay, in my desktop I am creating new folder by clicking this new folder. Okay, here I am typing node installation. Okay, this is my folder name. Okay, I am selecting this folder by click this select folder icon. So here you can see my folder name. Okay, okay, now you can run terminal from VS Code also. For that you need to click this terminal. Here you can click new terminal. It will open the terminal here. Okay, you can use CMD also, you can use here also. Okay, for opening this terminal you can use some shortcut also. For example, here they are showing some shortcut, right? Control shift plus tilt symbol. If you click this control shift tilt, it will open the terminal. Okay, so here you can see your project path. Okay, for example, user, this is my name and the desktop. Inside in desktop I created node installation. Okay, so now my project is here. Okay, here you can create multiple terminal also. For example, here you can see the plus symbol. If you click this, means it will open multiple terminals. You can see here. You can split this terminal also. For example, if you click split symbol, means it will split terminal like this. So here you can run client side application. Here you can run server side application if you need. So if you working on real time application, means this is very much useful for you. So just learn this, then you can, one second. So you can expand this terminal to full screen also by clicking this arrow. Okay, okay, so now we learned this terminal. So now we can create JavaScript file. Okay, here you can see, if you hover here, means you can see three some features here. So here you can see this is creating new file. You can create new folder using this. You can just refresh this explorer. Okay, here you can collapse the folder. Okay, for now just use create new file. Okay, we'll see how this is useful in, okay, in final, I mean in last. So here I am typing on folder name, for example, index.js. So your folder name should end with js. Okay, then only node will understand this is JavaScript code. So it will run. Okay, click enter. So my index.js file is created. Here also we can run our JavaScript code. For example, console.log hello world. Okay, h caps. Okay, this is my sample project. So if you want to run this JavaScript, means here you can type node space your project name. My project name is index. Okay, index, I mean my file name. Okay, if you click this, means it will run my JavaScript code. So here I added on console with hello world, so it just print hello world. If you add here some filter sort, some complex JavaScript logic, means it will run. Okay, so one more way you can try. For example, node index, mm, index.js. Okay, this will also work. Okay, here you can also reuse your previous command. For example, if you click this up arrow means you can see your previous command, so you can just use it. Okay, now we learned how to run a simple JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code. Okay, as I already told, we'll learn how to use this folder. Okay, for example, if you click this means it will create new folder. Okay, for now we need to give the folder name. For example, I am giving header. Okay, this is on, for just imagine this is a on my website header means. Okay, I am just creating header. Okay, so this is my folder name. Okay, inside this folder name we can create multiple components. For example, here I can create contact us.js. Okay, oh, spelling mistake. Okay, fine. Then you can create about .js. Okay, here you can write whatever you need. For example, like this. If you want to create file outside this folder means just collab this, just click this, it will create outside the folder. Okay, all right, that's it guys. These are the things I like to teach you in this video. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments below so that I can learn from it. If you found this video helpful for someone, please share it with them so they can learn. If you like my work, feel free to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.